The best AI productivity tools in 2023 by DikshaCodes. But despite being the most popular, chatgpt is far from the first AI app that hit the market. The best AI productivity tools by category. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tech trends. Now, let's jump right in. 1. AI chatbots. Chatgpt. Chat is the current industry leader and the first chatbot that set the scene on fire. Bard. Bard is Google's answer to chat. Hugging Chat. Hugging Chat is the open-source alternative, receiving contributions from many developers on Hugging Face, the collaborative AI platform. 2. AI apps for content creation. By entering your prompts, starting from templates, or using recipes, you can use AI models as a co-writer, helping you put together first drafts faster. Jasper. Jasper is a powerful AI content creation platform, favoring users who need a high volume of content. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a slower-paced option, acting as a writing co-pilot. Anyword. Anyword helps marketers create content by breaking the generation process down step by step. 3. AI apps for text enhancement. Discover all the available apps in our list of the best grammar checkers and rewording tools. Grammarly. Grammarly is the mainstream spell and structure checking app. WordTune. WordTune helps you find plenty of wording alternatives to improve your text. ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is a direct competitor of Grammarly, offering plenty of statistics to help you track grammar, style, and spelling scores. 4. AI apps for video generation. Descript. Descript is a powerful and versatile video editing software that can be used by anyone. If you're looking for a way to create and edit your media quickly and easily, Descript is a great option. Wondershare Filmora. Now, it also brings to the table a set of AI features that let you remove backgrounds, denoise low-quality clips, and improve sound quality. Runway. It has a set of interesting features that helps you generate video with AI, train your own AI models, and paint parts of frames using text prompts. 5. AI apps for image generation. Now, let's explore AI tools that help you generate stunning images effortlessly. DALL-E2. DALL-E2 do things like automatically create images from transcripts, chat messages, or any other apps you use. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI that can generate realistic, creative images from text. It is newer than DALL-E2, but it has already gained a lot of popularity due to its ability to generate high-quality images. Stable Diffusion. Dream Studio, powered by the Stable Diffusion AI model, is versatile and offers plenty of controls to help you prompt your way to the results you want. 6. AI apps for note-taking. There aren't many apps tackling this issue effectively, but Mem has consistently impressed me. Mem. Mem uses AI to tag and connect the notes you take, so you don't have to spend time organizing them. 7. AI transcription apps and meeting assistants. Need help with transcriptions and meetings? Let AI assist you. Fireflies. Fireflies AI is a text-to-image AI that is still under development. Fireflies AI is not yet available to the public, but it is possible to get access to the waitlist. Airgram. Airgram AI is a text-to-image AI that is still under development. To use Airgram AI, you simply need to provide a text description of the image you want to generate. Crisp. Crisp is actually an audio optimization tool that reduces background noise to help you sound better in meetings. 8. AI apps for scheduling. Scheduling is a breeze with these AI-powered assistants. Reclaim. Reclaim does a great job protecting your habits, so you never miss your weekly fitness objectives or your reading targets. Clockwise. You can adjust the settings to create your ideal day where work, breaks, and meetings live in harmony. Motion. By connecting Motion to Zapier, you can automatically create new motion tasks from Slack messages, emails, and any other tool you use at work. 9. AI apps for email and inbox management. You can start cutting the admin time here by using AI to categorize, generate reply drafts, and keep everything up to date. Sandbox. Based on that, it can help you delete unwanted emails, prioritize important messages, and add tags to keep things organized. Email Tree. Email Tree is a solution for customer support teams, helping you organize your inbox, follow up on messages, and automate a few replies. 10. AI apps for presentations and slide decks. Want to create stunning presentations? AI has got your back. Dectopus. Dectopus is simple and fun to use. Beautiful.ai. It simplifies the process of putting together a beautiful slide deck with all the layouts and styles figured out. Slides Go. AI generates the whole presentation for you, and from there, you can add your own content, customize each slide, and use AI to write, generate images, or generate a new slide. 11. AI apps for research. These AI-powered tools can act as an adventure sidekick, exploring the internet for you, organizing your data into digestible visualizations, and even formatting references correctly. Janae. The app will search the web for relevant content and offer you suggestions to add new sources. Omni uses AI agent technology to research topics for you. 12. AI 3D modeling. AI is spreading out of the 2D world too, generating 3D models you can use in games, virtual environments, or video. Spline AI. Spline AI lets you generate scenes, objects, animations, and textures by using text prompts. 3dfy.ai. 3dfy.ai is still in beta, but it already takes a text prompt and turns it into a 3D model. Meshcapade. Meshcapade focuses on creating avatars, taking 2D pictures and turning them into 3D models. 13. AI agents. AI agents are taking center stage. Let's see what they have to offer. AI agent. AI agent lets you create your own agents, pick a name, objective, and which OpenAI model it should use to think. GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 are available right now. AgentGpt. AgentGpt has a similar layout to chatgpt. Hyperwrite. It's still an alpha version, so expect plenty of bumps on the road. 14. AI apps for automation. Last but not least, let's talk about AI and automation. Each of these AI productivity tools is impressive on its own, but when you want to integrate AI into your daily workflows, that means connecting AI to the other tools you already use. And there you have it, the best AI productivity tools of 2023. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to DikshaCodes for more exciting tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.